Forecaster Mark Spencer from Ohio News and Weather. Good evening, everybody. Not a bad day out there today. A bit breezy, but mild. Temperatures this evening in the low 70s across portions of the state. Otherwise, upper 60s in many spots. However, we're cooling down. A few spots in the mid 60s across central Ohio. Some of those interior rural sections also likely in the mid 60s. But otherwise, wasn't a bad day out there. However, we do have some showers and storms starting to fill in mainly to our north and west. This is ahead of a cold front that's going to be moving across the state on Tuesday, and that's also going to bring some rain for us as well during the day on Tuesday, but also overnight. We do have a chance for a few thunderstorms across northwestern Ohio. I think the severe chance at this point is pretty low. Still a chance for a strong, maybe an isolated severe storm overnight, but chances very, very low at this point. As you can see, really the activity out west hasn't done a whole lot yet. Does have a chance to still develop some, but not expecting anything really significant as we head into the overnight hours. A few showers otherwise out there across portions of Stark, Tuscarawas, and Carroll counties, and across portions of west central Ohio. So overnight tonight, we will see this rain begin to fill in closer to daybreak. So everybody's pretty much got a chance for a shower. Real low across southern Ohio at this point. It'll be isolated at best. Again, a few rumbles of thunder possible across northwestern Ohio. Temperatures don't get too cold though overnight. We'll generally be in the upper 50s to low 60s across much of Ohio. And for you folks in northwestern Ohio, that is going to be pretty close to the highs for Tuesday. I'm really, really sorry about that, but I can't do much about it. Let's take a look at our future radar going through Wednesday afternoon here. And as we put this into motion, here's our showers this evening. As we get into the overnight, you can see kind of wanes off a little bit. There's our on and off showers. Here's the rain late Tuesday morning into the afternoon and evening hours moving across the state Tuesday night and then back into Wednesday. Yep, more rain on Wednesday, unfortunately. And then it'll finally get out of here by Wednesday evening. Wednesday night, like right now, looking dry, but that's going to be about it. Another chance for rain Thursday, another chance for rain Friday, Saturday, probably Sunday as well. It's Mother's Day, so hey, might as well rain, right? If you have outdoor plans this weekend for Mother's Day weekend, now would be a good time to consider some alternatives to that, just in case. As of right now, though, we have a chance for rain literally just about every day through Sunday at the moment. Also does not look to be a whole heck of a lot warmer over the next about 10 days. First, for tomorrow, rain likely, chilly in spots at times, but temperatures will actually begin to fall through the afternoon from northwest to southeast as that cold front approaches, which is why northwestern Ohio does not get very far from those morning lows. 58 in Defiance was your morning low. That's also going to be your Tuesday high. Temperatures will pretty much hover right around there and then gradually start to fall through the day into the low 50s and then eventually overnight into the 40s, unfortunately. Otherwise, we got mid to upper 60s in spot. Low 70s central southeastern Ohio is what we'll see there. You actually get quite warm there, Portsmouth, Gallipolis, Marietta. Why? Because you'll have the best chance for warm air to surge into the area during the day. But as that front begins to move across the state, winds will shift from the southwest to the north. They'll be around 10 to 15 miles an hour, gusting about 25 miles an hour at times on your Tuesday. Your daily forecast brought to you by our sponsor, Canopy Management. What are we looking at for the next 6 to 10 days? Well, the Climate Prediction Center says cold. I don't know how else to put it, guys. It's going to be a chilly May, unfortunately, after a rather decent March and April. Yeah, pretty good chances for below normal temperatures. Some of the modeling 7 to 10 degrees below perhaps in spots at times. Not the entire time. We'll have days where we'll be near average, but overall I don't see too much above average in there. So that's why we got all this. Yep, the pattern's just supporting this nice block of cold air across the Great Lakes into the northeast. That may reload a little bit after mid-month. We'll see. Precipitation-wise, yeah, it's not looking much better. Hey, if it's going to be cold, it might as well be dreary, right? We haven't had enough of that over the past 5 months in Ohio, right? No, why? What's another month, right? Yeah, Really sorry. But slightly above normal to above normal precipitation across the eastern portion of Ohio. Expected over the next 6 to 10 days. The longer range outlooks, the 8 to 14 day, it didn't look a whole lot better. It was about the same, unfortunately. And as we get a little bit further out, yeah, we weren't looking very warm. I think the month of May is going to be kind of cool. Unfortunately, one of these days, we will get a spring across Ohio. One of these days. Hey, don't forget to stay ahead of the storm. Any storm, doesn't matter which storm. Download our free Ohio News and Weather app today for the latest radar, hourly forecast, watches, warnings, and much more. Have a nice evening.